In SolidWorks, you can use the lock mate in order to fix two components relative to one another in an assembly. Here in my assembly, I have 4 components. You will notice that 3 of them have a minus sign in parentheses next to them in the feature manager. That indicates that they are not fully constrained. They still have degrees of freedom. I want to lock them relative to the platform. And lock is very convenient, especially when you are just laying out the positions of components. You don't want to define exact distances from other references. Let's go to Mate. This opens up the property manager. I'm going to select lock. That way, when I start picking things, it will pick entire components. So there I've got the battery selected. Then I will also left click on the platform, and then I can choose the check mark to add or finish the mate. That's good. Let's once again choose lock, and this time I will pick the platform and then our component. That's good. Let's hit the check mark, and one more time, lock, and then pick our electronic speed controller and the platform and then the check mark. That is good. I can cancel out of creating any further mates. And now those components are locked down. If you take a look in the design manager, here you can see that we no longer have the minus sign in the parentheses.